Hi guys, I am back and I miss you guys so much. I do miss you guys so much. Alright, so as you know, every time I am back I always make an update video for you guys, and this is that update video. Okay. So one, I am sorry for being away for so long. As you know, I am a mother of two and I do have a family business to run, and if you guys are, you know, business owner, you guys wouldn't know that's kind of like your baby too. So you have to put a lot of love and effort to that business because that is your day job, you know. Obviously I didn't forget about my YouTube family. You guys pretty much gave me a jump start in my career, and even if like what I'm doing now has nothing to do with the beauty industry, I'm still very thankful to have met you guys. You guys have given me the opportunity to run into so many opportunities, to learn, to meet people, and in a way you guys kind of helped me become who I am, and I have you guys thank you for that. And I'm very grateful for you guys. I want to thank every member that's been here since day one, and I also want to thank every new member that is joining me. Even if you just joined today, I am thankful for you to join me or follow me on my journey into this motherhood and boss babe. So here's a few channel announcements. Firstly, starting June 1st, there'll be 2 video upload per week. If you guys could please comment down below, let me know if I should do a Monday and Friday or a Tuesday and Thursday upload. Let's get a vote going. So yeah, I do need to know which day should I upload these videos. And now you're gonna ask me, what kind of video am I uploading? Well, there's so many videos that I have recorded, but I haven't had the time to edit back then. And now that I have time, since I got my work done and everything's just in place and I have time for my YouTube family again, I decided to like sit down and start editing because I just kind of want to finish, I guess, all of the old videos that I have recorded because I did put a lot of time and effort into it instead of just throwing it away, even if it's not in season anymore. Obviously, I want to upload Kara's birth video, but I wasn't able to do that because life got in the way, and I had a newborn in hand, and they are a handful. You know, they're a handful. So now that life is more situated and I can find my center again, I feel like every time you become a mom, you lose the center a little bit. And now that I found a good center and balance, I have decided that I put in a few extra hours a night, every night instead of sleeping, into editing video just so I can release a little bit of my life so you guys can kind of catch up. I know a lot of my longtime follower and viewer are so curious about, you know, what has been going on. I mean, I know you guys see updates on Snapchat and which, you know, I'm very active in, as well as Instagram, but I don't update enough on my YouTube, and I feel really bad for, I guess, leaving my YouTube family out of the loop. So I kind of want to upload all my old vlog. So firstly, obviously I haven't uploaded Christmas, so in the month of June I'm going to release all of the old vlog in their order just so you guys can catch up, I guess. So by the month of July I'm going to upload a whole bunch of hauls. So if you are someone who really enjoy vlogging and catching up with my life, June is your month. Literally, June is your month. And on top of that, in 1 or 2 of the video, I think it was like because it is a vlog, on certain video I'm doing a giveaway. I won't tell you which one it is, but there's gonna be multiple giveaway in those vlogs because in all those vlogs I feel like there's always something being given away. And yeah. And I will also have to work on my schedule to where it coincide with my posts on Instagram. So now my Instagram family, who has always been there and updated, as well as my Snapchat family, who is my like homies, obviously they're going to be in the loop. Here are my social media. Go ahead and follow them. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you're new to the Luvableviet family, welcome, love. Everybody's welcome here. Here we love everybody. So yeah. Here are the video of the video to come in the June vlogging issue. Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy. Đúng rồi. Good job, honey.
Ba, ba, ba.
Đúng rồi. Ba, ba, ba. Good girl. I got some really good clip. Can you believe baby Kate is already 15 months? It feels like yesterday that I just had a baby shower for baby Kara. Yes, this is my baby shower for baby Kara, and this is baby Kate at 8 months old.
Oh, good.
Oh my god!
Is it heavy?
I will be uploading lots and lots of the older video just so you can catch up on Kate and her growth. I am so sorry for being away for so long, and I know that you want to be a part of the baby's life, and obviously since you are my internet family, I would love for that to happen also. So I took some time and started editing all of the old celebration as well as vlogs for you guys to enjoy. When these videos go live, all the video preview screen, when you click on it, it will work. So slowly I will update them one by one. In the upcoming vlog, there's going to be so much daily routine, both the baby and myself, so you'll get a peep into our life, what it's like to be a mother of two, what it's like to balance both being a mom and a boss babe. Hi. Good girl. Giỏi.
Cái váy nó mua bao giờ mà đẹp nó không?
If you're interested in the baby as well as boss babe series, I am creating a MOT, which is mother of two series, where I really go in depth into what it's really like to spend a day in my life being a mother of two and a working wife. But before any of that will happen, I will be showing you what all these celebrations like, so watch and look forward to all of the full video coming very soon.
Yeah, I do. But I don't know who it's from. I think it might be from Matthew and last.
Oh, it's from a
So if you're excited, don't forget to thumbs up in this video and leave a comment down below letting me know which video you're most excited about.
zoom into Kara's face. She looks happy.
Thổi đi.
Đợi bánh đi. Đợi bánh đi.
Thổi.
Alright.
Oh my god. So since we don't have a wreath here, the bird decided to make a nest all the way on top of my house. And this is the thing that they bring. The nice part of me obviously wants to let them build a nest up here because it's good feng shui. You know, any house that has bird nests in there is good feng shui. But Jesus Christ. Ah!
What the frick is this?
That is bird building the nest.
Should I close this door?
Yeah, I am. She's gonna lock it for me.
Okay.
Have fun at work. Ah, Lord.
After all the old video is uploaded, I will be showing you what it's like to be, well, me. The daily struggle as well as the glam.
Really, Kate? That's a highlighter, guys. I leave her alone for a few minutes to work, and this is what happened.
And for my boss babe, I am working on a boss babe series where I talk about my work as well as from the beginning, how did I become the person that I am, what I actually do for a living, and those videos will be live in August and September.
I'm here at my next housing. The only problem is there's no parking and I'm downtown. I'm tired of driving around. Oh man, all I have to do is drop off some goddamn leaves. They need a drop box or something. But we have to park, we have to go there and drop it off in each individual officer office.
Also in the month of July, I'll be releasing so many self-care as well as review video. I have been loving so many products and I can't wait to share with you guys.
I'll be going so in depth with all of my beauty secret as well as my post-pregnancy routine, because you guys have been loving how my skin has been glowy, how my hair has been shiny. So I have documented and recorded everything that I do in order to maintain and take care of myself. So if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You do not want to miss this. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you'll be the first to know when I release a new video. You guys want to know what I've been doing and why I've been gone for so long? You guys want to know what life is really like for me? Well, don't forget to join me in all of my vlogs and all of my series. My self-care ritual is not just for the physical beauty, but also for the mental health. So get ready, join me in this journey. I want you to see what I've been doing, as well as I want to help you find yourself the way I have found myself. I am so tired of people telling me that life is over when you're a mother or you have a baby. I am so tired of that. No, I refuse it. I'm still me. I'm still the beauty guru, the expert in every little thing, as well as your favorite vlogger. So don't forget to join me in all of my live show on Instagram Live and YouNow, as well as on here, my personal video blogging journey of being a mother of two and your internet sister. Yes, baby, I'm ready for my comeback. I miss you all, and I can't wait to share with you the journey that I went through alone, as well as the road in the life to come. Pour out some wine if you're of age, and cheers! I am back, baby, and I'm here to stay. Now, there's no better way to end the day than to go shopping. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't go shopping. And honestly, what I did not show you before is what my life is really like. I have spent so many years downplaying my life as well as who I am just so I can fit in, and I'm tired of that. If a person doesn't love me for who I am, well, I don't need them here. I have you, my true subscriber who's happy for me, who's cheering for my success, who is there every step of the way clapping. I'm living my best life, and I hope one day you'll find that for you too. So if you want me to inspire the heck out of you, click that subscribe button. And if you're just like me, a fatty, I mean a foodie, you're going to love all my new video, because I am blogging and documenting everything that I eat on my date, and I'm going to give in-depth review on what is good, why it's good, and is it worth the money. And if you're someone who enjoys watching me buy things, there's going to be so many shopping trips as well as hauls coming up.
You're gonna win, you know.
Yeah, I think they are too. Depending on the price. Dưới 3.000 thì ok. Này chắc là 4.000. 3.000, 3.500 là ok. Còn chắc hơn cái này 4.000. 4.000 thì nó hơi ship rồi cái bao này. Oh, wow, it's so cheap. It's only 2,600. Told you.
This is not the shit we got the first time. Không cho mình uống nhiều.
Yeah. Join me on my shopping spree. Help me make decisions on buying the finer thing in life. I'll be uploading twice a week, maybe even 3 times, so don't forget to make your vote and comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. Are you interested in the new video to come? And don't forget to follow me on my social media. I've linked this on screen as well as down below for more great content.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a vlog. Bye.